In today's video, I am so excited to show you the transformation of the Cakes by Lynz kitchen. But first of all, let me take you back to the beginning where it all started. And welcome back to my kitchen. Now this video is going to be a little bit different as we're about to embark on a kitchen renovation. Now we haven't really done anything to this kitchen since we moved in 4.5 years ago. There just hasn't seemed the right time to do it until now. I am so excited to make this space my own, and I really wanted to take you guys along on the journey and share with you how it goes. Now, you've always been able to see the oven area in my videos, but let me show you the rest of the kitchen. So in the center here, we've got this peninsula, which is joined to these cabinets on the side. Now, this is a great area for preparing food, and this is actually where I do all of my filming. The problem is it really splits the kitchen into two. So we've got the oven and the sink at one end, and then right down the other end, we've got the fridge and the microwave, and it just makes it really awkward as we're always going through this little gap. So the plan is we're actually keeping the peninsula, but we're making it slightly smaller. With then this wall at the end, we're taking out and we're going to extend the kitchen down. So the kitchen is actually going to be a lot longer. By doing this, we're actually going to fit all of the kitchen in that half of the space. The space we've got here, so where the sink is, that's then going to become some double French doors into the garden, which I'm so excited about, just really bringing the garden into the kitchen. Now, when designing the plan for the kitchen, we've really had to think about how it can work as a family space, but also a space for my filming. So where am I going to be standing? Where am I going to have my lights and my camera? And what's going to be the background? So it's been a really exciting thing to plan, and I cannot wait. So I'm going to jump back in once the builders arrive and show you the progress that they're making. Now, when I left you, we were waiting for the builders to arrive. Now, they've actually been here for 2 days, and I really didn't know what to expect. But so much more has happened than I thought. We've had machinery in, they've been digging the foundations, they've taken out so much soil. If you can see at the bottom of the door and just how much has been taken out, I definitely now can't come out of the back door. It's only going to be a small extension, so it's just squaring off from the existing kitchen now, just joining it to the edge of the garage, which is just going to give us a little bit more space inside. Now, over the next few days, the builders have informed me that the concrete is going to turn up to fill the foundations, and they're going to start taking out the garage wall. So it's really exciting, and I can't wait to see it take shape. So the builders have been here for 3 weeks. They're just about to start week 4, but we finally have walls. They've also brought the floor up from where they dug down. They've got so much going on. They haven't come through into the kitchen yet, but you can see here the space where the window is going to be, and it's going to let so much light into the kitchen, which is going to be amazing for filming. Now, currently it's just nearing the end of August, so we're just over a month into the renovation. In the last 2 days, I think the most amount of kind of visual progress has happened. 2 days ago, we were turfed out of the kitchen. They wanted to get in, so we've got a temporary kitchen in our dining room. So they started taking out the old kitchen, and it just happened so quickly. Within a few hours, the kitchen was out, the windows were out, they'd taken the ceiling down. It was crazy to watch. So I have just been so excited to grab my camera and just show you the progress. So here you can see they've started taking out the wall, so this is where the door's going to be. We've got this huge window that you can now see, and the external wall has come down. So here we had the wall and the back door that you saw at the beginning of the video. So it's just amazing to see the entire new space, and it's just all really starting to come together. Now, since I last picked up the camera, it's been a few weeks, so We're nearing the end of September, so we're about two months and a week into the build, and the builders are doing such a fantastic job. Now, the thing that I think I've been most excited about this whole time, ever since we viewed the house, I wanted to put doors here. So we have these 2 double doors into the garden, and I am so excited. We then they put windows in this last week, so we have this full width of windows and this little window at the end, and it's just letting in so much light. They've done the floor so it's all one level now, which seemed to make the biggest difference. I think this kind of time I've been getting a bit more stressed out about it, because I think now that we're getting to the stage where things are starting to look like they're coming together, it's kind of, I feel a bit more pressure. The kitchen is coming in, I think 2.5, 3 weeks time, and I've organised for the floor to come and the worktops, and I'm looking at handles. I'm now super nervous that they're not going to look okay together, so fingers crossed everything that we have kind of planned will look good. I think the thing that I've been most stressed about, I guess, is the lighting. I've been going back and forward with the electrician, just really nervous that there's going to be enough light in here and that the lights are going to be positioned in the right place, that they're not going to create loads of shadows in the videos. Kind of going backwards and forwards with the electrician, kind of getting their advice and just trying to explain to them how I plan to use the space, so that they can understand that the lights that they're putting in will kind of work not only with having it as just a normal kitchen, but also when I film. So that's kind of been a lot of back and forward. And then the plasterers are going to come in, and I think I'm super excited at that point, because once the plastering has been done, I'm going to actually paint it myself. Now, since I was last on, all the plastering has been done and it's been left for around a week. We've still got a little bit that is drying out, but the ceilings are ready for some paint. And as you can see, I have got my decorating clothes on, and this is something that I really wanted to do myself. I've decorated the rest of our house, and painting is something that I absolutely love. Now, we have around a week and a half until the kitchen is delivered, and then I think about a month and a bit until the kitchen is finished, and I think they're going to start on just laying the patio outside. Now, since I last jumped on, Alex and I have spent the last few weekends painting the kitchen. So we have this bluey greeny wall, and then the rest of the kitchen has been painted. The kitchen is actually going to be delivered tomorrow. We already have the extract fan, the ovens, the hob, the fridge. We have been climbing over those for the last few weeks. I've never been so excited. I have never wanted to use an oven and bake a cake so badly in my entire life. I am so excited to get back in here, get back to filming and just creating more cakes. So the next time I jump on, there should be kitchen cupboards in here. So today is the 3rd of November, and I cannot believe we started this back in July. This week has been such an amazing week as all of the cabinets arrived. The kitchen fitter has been working so hard to start getting them in. So you can see random cupboards around. The ovens are in place. They're not actually working yet. We still have quite a lot to do. They need to add in the appliances. Floor is being laid this week. We've got the electrician coming back, so he needs to put all the lights in the ceiling. We have had a little issue as the sink unit hasn't actually arrived yet. When they delivered all the cabinets, it wasn't on the truck. So that's been a little bit stressful this week, trying to work out with the company where it is. They couldn't find it, so they're making us a new one, and that should be getting couriered here very soon so that they can add that in. So fingers crossed the sink unit arrive soon. I last came on a few weeks ago. We are a little bit further on. All the cabinets in. We still have the appliances to go in. The ovens are actually in, but they're not hooked up yet. I'm so excited to use them, but I think that's going to be a few more weeks yet. So we've had all the templating done for the worktops, and they were supposed to be here Tuesday. which is currently a Saturday. So they were supposed to be here in a few days, but I found out last week that they're still on a boat coming over from wherever they get them from. So they're currently not in the country, but there still is quite a lot to do in here. It's kind of, I feel like it's so close, and it's all those kind of last bits that kind of need doing. We actually, if I switch on here, so if I switch you around, the lights are all in. I got these kind of lights that I can angle, put in for when I'm doing my filming. So that's exciting, and I can control the color temperature of them. I can change them so that they're the same color temperature as my filming lights. So hopefully it'll make my filming look better. Floor has been fitted. So you can see under here, it's a bit dusty where they've been putting the skirting boards on, but the floor is in. So I'm super excited for that to all be kind of uncovered. They're finishing off the patio in the garden. So fingers crossed, it should be very, very soon. Now, today is the last day of November. Yesterday, the worktops all went in. So we have the worktop on the peninsula and it runs down, and then we have the bit over here. There's still a little bit to do. So we have the oven still need to be working, and the hob needs to go in. We've got like a door missing. There's a leak under the sink. We don't have any running water in here, so the plumber needs to come back and just fit the tap. We also have the fridge is still in the other room, so that's going to be really great when we can get it in here, as we're still flitting between different rooms, cooking in one room, the fridge is in another room, so it's all a bit crazy. So the worktops, I am so happy. We went for a white worktop. It has a very subtle, well, I think it's quite subtle, a grey vein in there, as I didn't want anything too crazy, as it's going to be kind of the background for the videos. So yeah, I'm super pleased with how it looks against the grey. I'm so excited to move in. I just cannot wait. So I'm going to give it a clean and maybe sneak a few things into the cupboards that I know are kind of finished with. So hopefully next time I jump on and show you the kitchen, it should be finished. Yeah. It's finished. I am so happy. Since I last came on, all the last bits have been finished. We are just so happy with this space. This last 4.5 months have honestly been absolutely crazy. I really didn't know what to expect when we embarked on this journey. We first got in contact with our architect over a year ago now and started the plans, and the last 4.5 months the builders have been in, and I just cannot believe the transformation, and I cannot believe that they really brought our vision to life. This just feels like the most perfect kitchen for us. They have worked their magic and they really have transformed our home. I really want to thank you guys. If you've made it until the end of the video, thank you for watching this journey. I am just incredibly grateful that we could even have a kitchen like this. Now, the only thing that is left for me to do in this kitchen is test out baking some cakes in those ovens just to get used to them, and once I've done that, I can start creating more content for you guys, which I am so excited about. So here we have the first test batch of cupcakes from the new kitchen. I don't think I've ever enjoyed making some cakes as much as I did making these. This video has been a little bit different to normal, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like it as much as we do. Now, I will be back with some new tutorials very soon. So until then,